Oh, oh, I think I broke it. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Hey guys, it's me, Issaplease, and we are going on vacation! Yay! Oh wow, it's so bright. Hey guys, it's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to the vlog. If it's your first time here, then welcome, welcome, welcome. But if it isn't, then thank you so much for coming back. I am currently packed to go on vacation. Thank you so much, RedDoorz. RedDoorz is actually an app, and they are sending me there. So technically, this is my first campaign under Buy, and I'm so freaking stoked. I have been praying to God and the universe, and I've been saying it so many times online that I need a vacation. I kind of feel like I've just been stuck in place or stuck in one place for so long, and I need to see the world. But you know, money is an issue. I'm not the richest, but luckily RedDoorz is super duper affordable. You can book them over your phone, and like the prices are so good. So we are gonna check them out. I'm gonna take you guys with me to Davao, to Puerto Princesa. OMG guys, I am so freaking hyped. I am gonna be with my girlfriend. Her name is Chantal. There she is. She is Paulo's cousin's wife. Actually new here. She moved from Australia, and I thought that it would be perfect to bring her around because I wanted to show her the Philippines. She's Filipina, but she's never been to the Philippines, so this is like a culture shock to her. Hey guys, so this is Chantal, and this is Paulo and his devious look. Paulo wants a fish tank, and I told him no surprises when I come home.
It's not a surprise if I tell you about it.
Happy husband, unhappy wife equals torture. A life full of torture and regret and misery. You will starve to death if you make me mad.
No, you will starve. I cook.
We are finally in our room.
Finally,
and check out our room. Say hi to Chantal.
welcome. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my
Oh look, and it has like the staple RedDoorz merch. So this is like a toiletry bag. We have everything. I didn't bring a toothbrush or toothpaste because I knew that they had here. Ooh, I'm so excited. We are on our way to our first location, and that is Noon Saram Korean restaurant. It's basically like this really cute Korean grill barbecue place, and they have roller skating. So Chantal and I'm
so excited.
we're dressed for the occasion. Dressed up, we're on our way there. We're actually meeting my aunt, who's also a vlogger. We booked a Grab here. It was super easy and it was super fast. Across our hotel
It's a food market.
yeah. Oh, by the way, say hi to Kirby.
Hi
He's our official videographer. We travel in style. Char. Hey guys, we are here. Ah! There, look, that's the logo. Noon Saram Roller Star Restaurant. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can smell it.
excited.
I love your keys. Canon sisters.
Alive. And you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this. It's a part of the game.
How was it, Lee?
My Canadian husband would be embarrassed.
Oh,
My kids can skate better.
you
I
did
guess
it
I'm not
though.
going ice skating.
So that was really fun. What did you think of it?
I think it was fun, but damn, I can't skate anymore. What happened?
We need to practice. We need to come back like tomorrow.
I feel like I look like a penguin or something.
If I never said it on the vlog, Andy is my aunt. We're related from my dad's grandmother's side. Basta, the point is we're all family here. What's the nightlife like here?
We don't have
What? For real?
Everything. My husband and I actually fly to Cebu.
For nightlife. Oh, so wala mo like bars here.
There are, but you know, like it's always the same people.
Because I was thinking like Friday night, but then I don't want to go out tonight because tomorrow. But like, it's a full day. I want to shower.
Oh my god, I showered in my sweat.
The night market is right across our hotel, and they say that it closes at 12. So we're gonna go check it out. It's right across, guys. Abot gid siya dito, oh. Let's see if I can buy something for Paulo. I'll buy him like slippers. He said he broke his slippers, so let's buy him like Adidas slippers. And he'll never know. He'll think na dato kayang asawa kay. So siya, nilarang Davao para palitan og Adidas ng chinilas. So niya, piki di ay. Guys, good morning. It's obviously, you know who I am. I wasn't able to close the vlog last night because I was so tired, honestly. But for the most part, all we did was nagkakalakaw me and tried the bugubog shopping. Successfully only bought this and water on the way home. So we're up and we're on our way to Bramble for breakfast and then a quick shoot, and then we're coming back to change, then going to Malagos and then Eagle Center, and then that's it. So we are running out of like 4 hours of sleep. Guys, remember yesterday there was like a Whole Food market? No, it's clean. Like, wow, they packed all of that. And then they're gonna start setting everything up again at night. Wow. Girl, like, it's so clean. As if nothing was there. Grabe ang organization. Breakfast. Right now, we're on our way to Malagos. It's a forest sa Kibawan. Here's the view. Amazing kayo, guys, because the roads are so wide, they're so clean. Unsa ang speed rate there? Kuya's driving at 60. So we are at Malagos Garden, and that's what it looks like. You guys, look, it's so pretty. Wow.
Malagos is known for their chocolate because they're worldwide awarded chocolate for the type of chocolate that they have. They have the museum somewhere here, and you can actually make your own chocolate.
I want to try it.
We're related to Lapu-Lapu, you know that?
Is that a joke?
No, I'm not joking.
I thought that was a joke. My Lola keeps saying that.
Ask your Lola. We're related. It's like, so we're
So
Muslim.
that's real. Kibaw ka kanang storya nila ba nga we're related to Lapu-Lapu. I thought that was a joke.
Yeah, I thought so too. But like all my relatives were saying it. It was like,
Holy shit, man. Abi bitaw nako kas mo ana magud akong gani nga. Imo man ang lolo sila Lapu-Lapu. Nako kay wuda nimo oy dili man good, but it's the Patalinghog side.
Patalinghog side.
Look, this is what Lapu-Lapu's grandchildren look like. They're so beautiful. Guys, we are at the chocolate museum. Wow. Ingsud ninyo. It smells exactly like chocolate. It actually reminds me of my Urban Decay, or is it the Too Faced chocolate palette? It smells exactly like that. Okay, Andy, take it away.
So as you can see, guys, this is the contents of the inside of a cacao.
Is it really?
It's not. I didn't even read it. But from our ancestors, they like chocolate. They pair it with their tuba. And chocolate drink wheat milk. So that's how you make Milo. Cocoa powder. No, you don't sniff this. You put this in your pastry. This is not really a chocolate museum. Other people call it that way, but it's actually a museum for diabetes. So if you're diabetic, don't come here.
Like, I didn't know that Davao was known for chocolate. Like,
Because we are sweet.
wow. Oh,
We're
wow,
sweet.
look at that.
And like me, look at my skin, it's chocolate.
Wow. That chocolate Filipina skin. So bronzy, so gold. So beautiful. Oh, oh, I think I broke it. Never mind. Make-believe chocolate. Oh, girl, I just touched it. It says make-believe chocolate, not edible. So I thought it was just like a decoration, but it's like free-flowing chocolate.
Try putting it on your face. It's actually a good
It,
remedy.
it says here, do not touch.
Ay, okay.
And I touched it.
Violator. Ma'am, palihog ko collect ani niya.
I-disown ko sa Davao. Pollinate me. I don't know why I said that. This is to hopefully our last trip as not mothers. And Andy's like this.
So far.
I still wanna go drinking.
So, nag-baby ni Kirby karon. And we have decided to buy everything.